Hello back. And to do data analysis for two branches in terms of revenue or sales, the best option here is to go and use pie chart or donut chart. I will go and I click on pie chart. Here in this section we have legend, values and details. I will start by take this custom. I think this one we have to rename it because it represents the branch itself. So I will drag this one and insert it here or drop it to the legend. And for the revenue, I will drag it and insert it or drop it to the values. And look at this. We have here a comparison. And as you can see, the branch A represent the light blue and branch B represent the dark blue. And one more point here, as you can see, here we have the percentage and the total revenue, both of them are there. If we're gonna go to the format visual and from details label, we can expand out this one. We have here two options. Both of them are really amazing and very important in your day-to-day business. The first one is about the position of this data label. You want it to be outside or inside the chart itself. Not only this, do you prefer to be outside? So if you prefer to be outside, he will try to stick to the outside as long as you are trying to minimize the size of the pie chart. And same apply for the inside. He will try to keep it inside the pie chart till you minimize it till the end, as you can see. So basically it's up to you, or it's up to your business. This is the first one. The second advice here, or the second comment here for the label content, which I really use it a lot in my work. Here we have category only to say, okay, this color represent the category of branch A, or you can say, okay, I would like only to show the number of the revenue, which is like 164K. Or I would like, from my customer, he asked me only, I would like to see the percentage. As you can see, 55 or 44. In the other hand, we can have category and data value. As you can see, branch A and then the value itself, 164. Or category and the percentage, branch A and then the percentage. Or data value, okay, and the percentage. Or we can have all the details are there, branch A, the value, and then the category. It's up to you. You can choose whatever depend on your business.